Welcome back to our Microsoft Word tutorial series. In this 12th installment, we're diving into the intricacies of collaborative editing and advanced reviewing features using the Review tab in Microsoft Word. If you've been following along, you've already learned how to leverage the comments group for effective collaboration. Now, we're taking it a step further with the powerful tracking group. Join me as we explore how to track changes, customize markup views, and utilize the reviewing pane to streamline the editing process. Whether you're a seasoned Word user or just getting started, these features are essential for anyone looking to enhance their document editing and collaboration skills. Let's jump right in. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on using the Comments group in the Review tab of Microsoft Word. How to use comments in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open your document. Open the Microsoft Word document that you want to review or collaborate on. Step 2. Navigate to the Review tab. Go to the Review tab on the Word ribbon. This tab is where you'll find all the tools related to reviewing and editing documents. Step 3. Locate the Comments group. Look for the Comments group. It's a section on the ribbon specifically dedicated to managing comments. Step 4. Insert a new comment. Click on the New Comment button. This allows you to insert a comment at the current cursor position. Alternatively, you can select a portion of text before clicking New Comment to associate the comment with that specific text. Step 5. Delete a comment. If you want to delete a comment, click on the comment you wish to remove. Then, click on the Delete button in the Comments group. Step 6. Navigate between comments. Use the Previous and Next buttons to move between comments in the document. This is helpful when you have multiple comments and want to review or address them one by one. Step 7. Show or hide comments. Click on the Show Comments button to toggle the display of comments. This is useful for focusing on the main content of the document or reviewing comments without distraction. Step 8. Save your document. Remember to save your document regularly to preserve the changes, including comments. Congratulations! You've now learned how to use the Comments group in the Review tab of Microsoft Word. These tools are essential for collaborating on documents, providing feedback, and tracking changes during the editing process. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on using the Tracking group in the Review tab of Microsoft Word to track changes, use different markup views, and access the reviewing pane. How to track changes in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open your document. Open the Microsoft Word document that you want to review or edit collaboratively. Step 2. Navigate to the Review tab. Go to the Review tab on the Word ribbon. This tab is where you'll find tools related to reviewing and editing documents. Step 3. Locate the Tracking group. Look for the Tracking group. This is the section on the ribbon dedicated to tools for tracking changes. Step 4. Track changes. Click on the Track Changes button. When activated, this feature will highlight any additions, deletions, or formatting changes made to the document. This is particularly useful for collaborative editing, allowing you to see who made changes and what changes were made. Step 5. Choose markup views. In the tracking group, you can use the simple markup and all markup options to choose how you want track changes to be displayed. Simple markup shows a summary view of changes without displaying every detail. All markup displays all changes in detail, including added, deleted, and formatted text. Step 6. Show markup. Click on Show Markup to choose which types of changes you want to view. You can selectively show or hide comments, formatting changes, and more. This provides flexibility in customizing how you want to view the tracked changes. Step 7. Reviewing pane. Click on Reviewing pane to open a side pane that displays a summary of changes, comments, and other information. The Reviewing pane makes it easy to navigate through changes and understand the context of each modification. Step 8. Save your document. Remember to save your document regularly to keep track of changes and preserve your editing progress. Congratulations, you've now mastered the collaborative editing tools in Microsoft Word's Review tab. From leaving comments to tracking changes and everything in between, you're well equipped to handle the intricacies of document collaboration. Remember to practice these skills and integrate them into your workflow for more efficient and effective editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Word tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for joining me in this Word journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Happy editing!